Kevin Durant may naging mensahe patungkol sa magiging kalagayan ni LeBron para sa bago niyang koponan na Philadelphia 76ers. Pero bago yan, hindi nga lang si Rajon Rondo ang naniniwalang Philadelphia 76ers ang magkakampiyon ngayong paparating na NBA season. Dahil isa din sa naging former teammate ni LeBron sa Los Angeles Lakers na si Patrick Beverley ay naniniwalang Sixers na magkakampiyon ngayong paparating na NBA season. Ayon sa video ni Patrick Beverley ay nabanggit nga niya dito na napanood daw niya ang pag-iensayo ng tatlong superstar ng Sixers na sila Jaylen Brown, Tyrese Maxey at LeBron James at talagang nakakatakot daw ngayon ang level ng koponan ng Sixers. Dahil sa ganda daw ng forma ng paglalaro nilang tatlo at sa ganda daw ng pangangatawan nila, lalong-lalo na daw si LeBron, dahil sa edad na 41 years old ay nagagawa pa din itong makapagdakdak at makapaglaro na parang hindi 41 years old. At siguradong gulo daw ang dala ng 76ers.
Well, I just watched that video of Tyrese Maxey, LeBron James, and Jaylen Brown working out. Man, it's trouble, man. Belt. Philadelphia belt. They look so... I'm watching the video. Nice. They look so nice. Everybody's bodies look great. Bron still done. Hey, man, without a doubt.
At Kevin Durant, todo paghanga kay LeBron dahil sinabing alam daw ni LeBron kung paano bumuo ng isang matagumpay na koponan at alam din daw ni LeBron kung paano ilalagay ang sarili niya para manalo. Dagdag pa niya, ang pagtanggap daw ni LeBron ng minimum na sahod ay nagpapakita ng kanyang mindset at kung paano siya papasok sa isang team. Dahil kailangan nga daw ng Sixers ng isang taong makakaunawa na hindi daw lahat ay makakapagtala ng 25 points per game at may mga araw nga daw na ikaw ang bida at may araw naman na second option ka lang. Dahil nagbabago daw ang lahat sa paglipas ng season at sa tingin nga daw niya ay nauunawaan niya ni LeBron. At hinalin tulad din ni Kevin Durant na parang isang juggernaut daw ang team ngayon ni LeBron dahil kaya daw nitong durugin ang lahat ng daraanan nito.
LeBron, going to Philly. What do you think about that?
There's going to be a juggernaut. That's what I think. You know what I'm saying? He understands how to put a winning basketball team together. And then he knows how to put himself in position to be successful. And I feel like for him to take a minimum says a lot about his mindset and how he's going to come into the team. And they need a connector, guys that kind of, somebody that understands, like, all right, everybody's not going to average 25 points on this team. There's going to be nights where you're going to be the man. There's going to be nights where you got to be the second guy, but it's going to be moving parts throughout the whole season. Everybody's role is going to, and I think LeBron understands that. He's been around for so long.